Whatever you like, whatever you like, whatever you like, whatever you like, yeah, you can have it, boy, whatever you like. Hey, what up, my peoples? It is your girl Virgo. It's the B to the Y, A to the R, to the G, to the O, A. No. So anyways, what's up? What's popping? I don't have no gloss or nothing on. I'm about to put some on in a second. But I just wanted to come with you. Come talk to y'all. Come with y'all. What are you talking about? Talk to you guys. See what's going on. What's popping. I got a lot of shit going on right now. Sorry, I'm gonna slow it down. And beep. So I am your girl Virgo. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you. Namaste. Love and light. Peace and blessings to you all. That's number one. Now number two, I just wanted to come and talk to y'all. Go over a few products. Some things that I've been trying out. We're gonna go from there. Okay? Okay. We're gonna, without further ado, let's get into it. I have been having a few issues because remember I told you this is a learning channel, so we are learning, bitch. For some reason, I don't know why, but me and my brows have been fighting the last couple of years. I'm gonna say years. I'm gonna be honest with you and tell you it has been some years. I look back at some pictures from Facebook and shit, and I just realized I didn't have any real friends. I told my friends, y'all weren't really my friends. Y'all didn't tell me, first of all, drawing a fucking Sharpie on my eyes, and number two, I really just needed to get my shit together. I'm so sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm looking for shit. One of my favorite go-to lip crayon or gloss and different stuff. I love glosses and things. I kind of have a little bit of a plump lip, but my favorite thing when I'm just on the go, you don't have to worry about it getting stuck or, you know, crusty. I love the Ulta Beauty Oil, but the first thing that I really do is the multi matte lip crayon, and this motherfucker is from Kiss. The color that I use that's like perfect for my lips is Dumbo. But I'm not a Dumbo, bitch. It just glides on smooth. It glides on pretty smooth. I fuck with this. I have like a whole set which is got like all these different colors. Like this red, this crimson. No, it's called Chelsea. Excuse me. I really love it. It's like a really like, these are all very, very highly pigmented. Like I said, it doesn't come off. Other shit on my hand. That's not what that is. I promise. It's just makeup and shit on my hands. Back to the point, I have had some issues with my brows for the last couple of years. Eyebrows. So I really just been trying to figure out what the fuck is going to work for me. My thing, what works for me so far, I need to do them first. Like even before primer. Sometimes people use primer for the actual eyebrows. I haven't tried that yet because I've tried to put my makeup on first and then do my brows. Honey, my eyebrows over here and over here. No, negative. No, negative. Stop. Don't do that. Some people it works for them, but my skin, I'm oily like right in my T-zone and dry on my cheeks and my whole outer area. It's retarded and like on the tip of my nose. The products that I've been using for my brows, back again to the point, I've just been trying different things. What I've noticed, like I said before, what works the best for me is actually drawing my brows on first. I told y'all know, if you're new to my channel, you know I don't really have a lot of brow area, but I'm scared to microblade. If you guys can, you know, suggest someone down in the comments, we could talk about it, because I'll make an appointment real quick if you know someone that is really bomb with their shading, with, you know, with just doing it in general, just microblading in general. I need to know the best person, maybe in the Nashville area, or I can do Atlanta, I can do Memphis, but I would rather in the Nashville area because that's just really where I'm located. This oil that I am putting on, bitch, first of all, it's called Sweet Rose, and it is the Ulta brand, and it smells like a real motherfucking rose. It's a shit. R.I.P. Mama Rose. Anyways, where the fuck was I? Pause. Beep. Back to the motherfucking brows. I'm gonna get to it, I promise. The one that I've been using, the pomade, like the little pots I've been using, this is the Black Radiance CA8502. There isn't like an actual color. And it comes with, of course, a little brush that you can just put, see, and you put it, it's got a little ridge part. You put it in the top and it creates its own brush. Boom, boom, boom. Little pot. Trying to make it focus. Focus, bitch. Okay, but y'all get the point. I would say it's like a dark brown, like a dark chocolate, deep chocolate. I've been using this one and this NYX, you can tell I've been using the fuck out of it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's time for a new one. This is the NYX eye pencil in the shade dark brown. Obsessed. I like to use that because sometimes these little pots, they're either too light or too dark for me. I don't know. It's like I can't find one that actually, it's just like boom, boom, boom. That's it. Like I just haven't. Even I've tried, listen, when I tell you I've tried everything, the most popular and least popular, I have tried, okay? I've tried the product. Anastasia in the color chocolate. I've used that pot, but it dried so quickly I didn't even get to really enjoy it. When I first got this motherfucker, which that's the chocolate color, when I first got it, it was bomb. I was like, okay, I finally found one. It's perfect. It's chocolate like me, but it's a little darker, so work. 2 weeks later, it's still dry. I don't know if like maybe Farsali has a particular oil or Revolution or somebody has a particular oil. Again, that's another thing if you guys want to leave that down in the comments. This is a talking, learning channel. Whatever you want to talk to me about, I can handle it. Eyebrows, eyebrows. Another one that I've tried that was actually suggested by Dominique A. Hey boo, hey. She's the shit. Y'all can go subscribe to her channel because hers is a learning channel as well, but she's the shit. We learns each other, okay? We learn each other. The one that I got from her, the suggestion was the top brow in Kiss New York. That's Kiss New York. I think it was like $4.99, $5.99, something like that. It's a nice little, I mean, it looks like it's a lot more. It's pretty much the same thing. It's just a little wider. 4.0. It's got like a sensor on it. So I can't tell you exactly how. Oh, it's 3 grams. Yeah, this is 0.14 ounces. This is 0.1 ounce. This is $18 or $20 at Ulta or probably Sephora. I'm sure you can get Anastasia products at Sephora, but I just go to Ulta all the time. I need to go to Sephora because remember, we're going to do a Fenty video under dig. We just got to make sure these bills and everything so the lights can be on first before we go and support Fenty. Know you wagwan. Wagwan, Riri. We love you. Okay, me love you. Long time, but we gonna hold on for a second, okay? We're gonna get to it. It's just gonna be a week. Okay, so but these are the 3 that I use so far, and sometimes it's just the pencil. Real ghetto ass motherfucker got a new car and has a problem outside of my fucking condo. I don't understand what's wrong with you, bro. I'm about to have to step outside and be like, can you even think with your fucking music that loud? Anyways, I'm not even gonna get into it. You get on my fucking nerves. One day I'm just gonna click off all hours of the night. It's all hours of the day. It don't matter. When that motherfucker pulls up every single time, bang, bang, boom, boom, boom. So fucking unnecessary. When your music is loud, that's cool. I know you riding and, you know, vibing. I underdig because I'm an artist. I completely understand. When you're pulling up to your home, someone else's home or wherever the fuck, turn that shit down. Other people are trying to fucking record videos and you're fucking it up. So now, beep. Eyebrows, eyebrows.